A man woke up one morning and checked his crypto account. Everything was gone. Not a single coin left. His Bitcoin. His Ethereum. His altcoins. All of it. Wiped out completely overnight. He had not been hacked. He had not been scammed. He simply made one mistake that millions of crypto beginners make every single day. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what that mistake was. And more importantly, you're never going to make it yourself. Stay with me because in exactly 4 minutes I am going to show you the one thing that separates people who lose their crypto forever from people who keep it completely safe no matter what happens. It is called a crypto wallet. And most people completely misunderstand what it actually is. Here is what most beginners do. They buy their first Bitcoin on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. They see it sitting in their account. They feel good. They think their crypto is safe. But here is the brutal truth that nobody tells you when you sign up. That crypto is not in your hands. It is in the exchange's hands. You are trusting a company that can get hacked, go bankrupt, freeze your account or disappear overnight, to hold your money for you. Remember FTX? 1 million people trusted that exchange. In 2022 it collapsed in 4 days. And billions of dollars belonging to ordinary people vanished forever. Not because of a market crash, but because they left their crypto on an exchange instead of in their own wallet. So what exactly is a crypto wallet? Here is the first thing you need to understand. A crypto wallet does not actually store your crypto. Let me say that again. A crypto wallet does not store your crypto. Your crypto always lives on the blockchain. What a wallet stores is your private key. Think of your private key as the master password to your crypto. The key that proves you own it. The key that lets you send it. The key that gives you complete control over it. Whoever holds the private key owns the crypto. Simple as that. This is why the most important phrase in all of crypto is, not your keys, not your coins. Now there are 2 main types of crypto wallets you need to know. Hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is a wallet that is connected to the internet. These are usually apps on your phone or computer. Examples include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Phantom. They are free, easy to set up, convenient to use every day. But because they are connected to the internet, they can be vulnerable to hackers if you are not careful. A cold wallet is a wallet that is completely offline. It is a physical device, looks like a small USB stick, that stores your private key with no internet connection at all. Examples include Ledger and Trezor. Cold wallets are the most secure way to store crypto, because a hacker cannot reach something that is not connected to the internet. Ever. Think of it this way. A hot wallet is like the cash in your pocket. Convenient for daily use, but risky to carry large amounts. A cold wallet is like a safe buried in your house. Not convenient for daily spending, but the safest place to store large amounts of value. Let me tell you about 2 people. Both bought Bitcoin in 2021. Both bought the same amount. The first person, let us call him Mike, left his Bitcoin on the exchange. He thought it was fine. He had a strong password. 2-factor authentication. Everything seemed secure. Then in 2022, the exchange he was using had a major security breach. Hackers got in. Millions of dollars were stolen. Mike lost everything he had invested. The second person, let us call her Sarah, bought the exact same amount of Bitcoin. But Sarah had learned about wallets. The day she bought her Bitcoin, she transferred it immediately to her own cold wallet. A Ledger device she bought for $80. When the same exchange was hacked, Sarah felt nothing. Her Bitcoin was sitting safely offline in her cold wallet, completely untouched. By 2024, her Bitcoin had grown massively in value. And it was all still there. Safe. Because she took one simple step that Mike never did. Same market. Same investment. Completely different outcome. Because of one decision. Now there is one more thing you absolutely must understand about wallets. When you set up any crypto wallet, it gives you something called a seed phrase. This is usually 12 or 24 random words. Something like, Apple Bridge Sunset Mountain River Clock Piano Forest River Moon Eagle Fire. This seed phrase is the master key to everything. If you lose your phone or your cold wallet gets damaged, you can restore your entire wallet on any new device using just those words. But here is the critical warning. If someone else gets those words, they own your crypto instantly. No password needed. No hacking needed. Just those words. Never ever store your seed phrase on your phone. Never take a photo of it. Never save it in your email. Never type it into any website. Write it on paper. Keep that paper somewhere safe. Some people use fireproof metal plates to engrave their seed phrase. Because paper can burn. Metal cannot. Think of your seed phrase like the master key to a safety deposit box at a bank. If you lose the key, you cannot access the box. If someone steals the key, they can access the box and take everything. The bank cannot help you. There is no backup. There is no customer service number to call. It is just the key, which is why you protect it with your life. So here is everything you just learned. A crypto wallet does not store your crypto, it stores your private key. Your private key is what gives you ownership and control. There are two types of wallets: hot wallets connected to the internet and cold wallets that are completely offline. For small daily amounts, use a hot wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. For large amounts, always use a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. And your seed phrase is the most important thing you will ever write down in your entire crypto journey. Protect it like your life depends on it. Because in crypto, it does. Now you know exactly how to keep your crypto safe. Something that took most people painful and expensive lessons to learn. You just learned it for free in under 15 minutes. If this video helped you, please like it right now. It takes 1 second and it helps more people find this channel who need this information. Subscribe and turn on notifications because in the next video we cover CX and DX exchanges in full detail. Everything you need to know before you buy your very first coin. Drop a comment below. Did you know about cold wallets before today? Tell me yes or no. I read every single comment. See you in the next class.